Another look at credit cards, and this time from a Dutch bank, the ING Group. Now this is one of the major 3 banks in the Netherlands, and I must say it's one of my favorite banks to do business with, and you can get things done with them in minutes where it would sometimes take you days to get it done with another bank. And at the end I will discuss some of the drawbacks of the card, because there are a couple that are very important to know about. So let's have a look at the cards. Now ING has 3 credit cards: the standard credit card, the student credit card, and the platinum card. And all of their cards require a debit account with the bank. So if you want to apply for it, you must have a bank account with the bank. And if you want to open a bank account, I have a video on this. I will link it down below. Now let's have a look at the first card. The first card is the standard credit card. To apply for this credit card, you must be 18 years old, and next to this you must have a monthly income of 650 euros. So that's set pretty low. Basically an entry card for anyone who's interested in having a credit card. So the bank will do a light credit check at the BKR, which is the credit bureau in the Netherlands. And basically, if you don't have any outstanding debts, you're fine. They don't really do a rigorous credit check. Now we move on to the student card. The student card is basically the same as a standard credit card. Only difference is they have capped it at 1,000 since it's specifically for students. And with this also comes the requirements that you must be enrolled in a college in the Netherlands and be between the ages of 18 and 29. Otherwise, you do not qualify for this particular card. Now, before we go on with the best card that ING has to offer, please take a moment to like and subscribe to the channel for more financial and banking information. Now, the platinum card that the ING offers is their top-end card. This card costs you about 52 euros per year. And with this, you get a spending limit of up to 20,000 euros. You can adjust this accordingly. And for the additional spending limit, the bank will now also ask you for some information concerning your salary. In addition to the extra spending limit, you get a full coverage of your purchases for the 365 days instead of the 180 days on the standard and student card. Now with that said, let's have a look at the drawbacks of the cards that they offer. So they do charge you, whereas with other Dutch banks you can get the credit card for free with the debit account. And since they make it mandatory to take a debit account, it would make more sense to then go with another bank. Another drawback of the ING cards are the withdrawal fees. The bank charges you 4% for each withdrawal you make, with a minimum of 4.5 euros. So if you're somewhere and you just quickly need some cash to pay for a sandwich or whatever, and they don't accept the card, then you're paying 4.50 for maybe a 20 euro withdrawal. There are some European banks that don't charge you at all for withdrawal, and one of these is Deutsche. I've made a video on this as well. I will link it down below. So if you combine this with the fact that you don't really get any perks when you get one of the ING credit cards, except for the purchase insurance, you don't get travel and reimbursements or health insurance or cashbacks or whatsoever, then yeah, this is not really an attractive credit card. It's just, you can get it fast, you can get it easy, but other than that, it's not going to do much for you. In a later video, I will compare the Dutch credit cards in the Netherlands against each other and against European credit cards, so you really can get a view of where you will get your best value. That's it for the ING credit cards. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more financial and banking information. Take care.